In this video, I want to talk about how you can be able to day trade on Trading 212. Now, keep in mind, you cannot usually do this from an invest account because you're not able to sell unless you've bought. So you need to open up either a CFD or a crypto one. I'm not sure if they have other ones, but from here you'll be able to sell and buy. But keep in mind, this is a CFD account, so just keep that in mind. But you'll be able to, in here, track the chart, and you can choose how you want, but they don't have the greatest like minute or hourly charts, so I suggest checking these from TradingView or any other site. But once you've done that, you'll be able to sell and you'll be able to buy in here if that's what you want to do. Now, like I said, this will be CFDs, so unless you only want to buy, you can use the invest one and buy from in here, so just keep that in mind. Now, this is the only way that you can do this on Trading 212. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.